Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is Main Qasim from PMEI School System. As we have already discussed the summary of the poem The Dreams in our previous video in lecture number 1 of unit number 3. So today we will start lecture number 2, and its topics are words meaning, question answers and paraphrasing of the poem The Dreams. The theme of this poem is ambition. Here are some difficult words from the poem with the meanings. Number 1, hold fast. Hold fast, mazboot, sabit kadam, mustahkam, steadfast, strong, tight. Hold something tightly and firmly. Number 2, barren. Barren mean banjar, dull. Infertile or unproductive. Too poor to produce any vegetation. Field, khet. Farms, a land used for cultivation. Frozen. Frozen munjamid, jama hua. Having turned into ice, incapable of being changed or moved. Question answers. Here are some question answers. Question number 1 from the text, from the comprehension, we have question number 1, page number 24, and that is, what is the theme of the poem? And answer is, the theme of the poem is ambition. It means that we must be ambitious and hold our dreams fast, because without dreams our life is purposeless. बेमायनी है, बेमकसद है हमारी ज़िंदगी अगर हमारे ख्वाब नहीं हैं, अगर हम ख्वाब नहीं देखते और उन ख्वाबों को हकीकत में बदलने की हमारी चाहत नहीं है, हिम्मत नहीं है, ताकत नहीं है, हौसला नहीं है. Number 2, how important do you think dreams are? Explain. Answer, dreams are important in life. It is the dreams which provide a reason to live and a goal to achieve in life. We cannot become successful in life if we don't have dreams. Without dreams, our life is meaningless and purposeless. Question number 3. Identify an example of a word or phrase that repeated in the poem and explain why the poet makes this repetition. बार बार क्यों दोहराया है और किस लाइन को, किस फ्रेज को, किस वर्ड को जो है उसने रिपीट किया है पोइट ने. Answer is, the phrase that is repeated in the poem is hold fast to dreams. By the repetition of this phrase, the poet gives us an idea that we must hold our dreams firmly and stick to our ambition in life because they lead us to success in our life. Why the poet is emphasizing on it? Why he repeated these lines again or these phrases again in the text? Just to put emphasis on it, right? To explain the importance of dreams. Question number 4. Identify an example of personification. Explain. What is being personified and how? And the answer is, the poem personifies dreams, suggesting that they can die as if they are living things. Similarly, the phrase hold fast suggests that dreams can be held physically. Question number 5 is, identify lines containing metaphors. What idea are being conveyed by these metaphors? And the answer is, the poet has used 2 metaphors in this poem. They are a broken winged bird in the line number 3 of stanza number 1 and B, a barren field in line number 3 of the last stanza. Through these metaphors, the poet conveys that life without a dream is purposeless and imperfect or useless. Question number 6. List the alliterative words from the poem Dreams. The answer is, The alliterative words from the poem Dreams are A. Dreamed eye, B. Broken winged bird. Question number 7. How is imagery used in this poem? And the answer is imagery comes from imagination. Imagery is used to bring a picture in the mind of readers. In this poem, imagery is used in the following lines. In the following line, barren field frozen with snow. It gives a clear picture or image to the readers to understand the meaning of the certain words. Question number 8. What is the mood of the poem? How does it make you feel? The mood of the poem is persuasive. It persuades the readers to hold their dreams firmly. मजबूती से साबित कदमी से डटे रहें. If they don't act properly, they will not be able to lead a successful life. Because without dreams, life is useless. So there are 8 question answers. We have discussed them. So it's now comes paraphrasing. Look at the stanza number 1. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Paraphrasing is, hold your dreams tightly and firmly, because if the dreams comes to an end, then the life is just like a bird with broken wing that cannot fly. Stanza number 2. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is barren field frozen with snow. And the paraphrasing is, hold your dreams tightly and firmly and act according to them, because when there are no dreams in life, then life becomes a barren field frozen with snow, in which no crop, no vegetation can be grown. This is it for today. In today's lecture, we have discussed words meanings, question answers, paraphrasing of the same poem. This is it for today. Thank you so much.